This trick is called give him the stick, don't give him the stick. Alright, so this trick starts out in a wrist whip. There's a couple ways you can get into that. Do a little slappy like that, or you can do a little whippy like that, or you could just do a regular wrist whip. Okay, so after that, you're gonna wrist whip it, and then you're gonna underpass, and then you're gonna do like turn your hand in a little bit and go onto that string. You're gonna take your little thumb right here and you put it on that side. You're gonna drop this slack and do a whippy slap. And then you're gonna put the string on your mom. Okay, now from here, you're gonna pop off from the front. You're gonna take your thumb. You're gonna underpass the yo-yo and have it come off the string. And then kind of in the same movement, or as soon as you do that, you're gonna have it go up onto that string that it is closest to. So there's a little twist. Wrist, under, whippy, slacky, pop off to the front, underpass with the thumb, up onto the string. You're gonna take this thumb and you're gonna underpass it under the yo-yo, but you're not gonna have this wrap around. You're gonna have it like pop out. It's gonna kind of reject. So it would be like, if you went like that, and then put your thumb right there. And then up onto that string. But you're gonna do it in one movement, so it's gonna look like that. And boom, 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 boom. Bam, bam. Bam. Okay, so look what it looks like. Okay, then you're gonna let go of this thumb, hook this, that, and you let it roll off, and then you come back up and you're gonna catch it like that. Dismount, up onto the back string, and then you're gonna do another thumb underpassing. And we have land on that string. So you look like you're in this kind of thing. But then if you drop this and that, you're in a dub triangle. Pop out to the front, buying that shit, suck it. That is, give him the stick, don't give him the stick.